Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I might have another bag from AliExpress. This one I've been waiting on because we all know what this is. One of my favorite dolls.
Could be a box car.
What?
Could be a box car.
Could be a box car, but I don't know, I bet it's not.
Oh.
I know, I should buy you things, but you're so hard to buy for. You buy everything you want. Oh, we're talking about getting another white goat, and to see them, all my goats have reflective tape on their collars so I can see them out there at night. And we have one white seinen coming, and she has a sister I'm thinking about buying, so I bought a different color kind of collar for her. So that came. AliExpress has some pretty nice collars on their site. Oh, watch. I gotta change this to box opening. Pretty nice collars for inexpensive prices. You can barely find collars with a metal buckle anymore and with rivets or stitching rather than those plastic breakaway collars. Yes, I know all the safety features of those, I get it, but I've had animals all my life and I'm old. And a good collar is worth its weight in gold when you're out walking and something happens. You don't want a breakaway collar. Okay, here she is. I had looked and looked and looked at her. This is not the right doll. This is not the right doll. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Not the doll you're expecting.
Not the doll I was expecting. No, she was supposed to have black hair. Black hair. Well, wait a minute. No, that's
Nope.
brown.
Yep.
That is not the doll I wanted. Okay. I saw Betty Boop when I ordered the doll I did. She's a very cute doll, but she's an expensive doll, and I'm disappointed. Uh-oh, and that's not working right. That came up that time, okay. Yep, I gotta take some pictures, and guess who it was? Blythe Homes. Oh, round and round with them. No, that is not set right. This is the newer face mold. Let me show you. I was gonna leave her so that, okay. This is the new fat face. That eye's gonna drive me crazy. Let's change that. Maybe, there we go. Now let's see if it comes up again right. Yep,
One more.
so it's me. I like this face mold. It's very cute. It's different. It's that fatter face mold. It looks very cute on a fat body. But I'm disappointed because I wanted the black hair to become Betty Boop-like. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.